Hey everyone, Anton with IntellCRE here. In this video, we're going to look at what the Dealbox solution does and how you can set it up or either on your website or use the Dealbox link. So the Dealbox is either a website widget or a link. The website widget can be embedded on your company's website, and you can use it to capture qualified sellers or buyers and basically streamline the lead generation process and the process of getting the financials, the property data, sourcing valuable client information. Same with the Dealbox link. So you can navigate to the settings and into Dealbox, where you'll find the Dealbox widget script. So you can just copy this script, depending on if you're using an administrator for your website or if you're managing your website yourself. You can just copy and paste this script into the code base of your website, and you're going to have the widget embedded on your website with your branding and with the settings that we can customize further down, which is depending on the use case. You can change the header text, how it works. You can change the fields that are required, or in other words, what is the mandatory data that you want to collect through the widget and what is just optional. And so let's look at an example of the Dealbox widget using this mock website. So on the bottom left corner, you can see the website, the Dealbox widget saying check my property value. Your website visitors hover over it and go basically through a guided simple process. There's also a tutorial here where they can express their intent. You know, they are thinking of buying or they want to know how much their property is worth and those sort of things. They can upload or provide basic property information, but also advanced property information, including photos. They can upload their financials and expenses, and also upload any attachments or any documents that would be relevant in this case. Once they submit the request, you and your team get an email notification saying there is a new deal waiting for you in Dealbox in the IntellCRE platform. So in order to get to your Dealbox, you start with properties, and then you go to Dealbox properties. And so here you'll see all the deals that you've that were submitted to you on your team, both from potential sellers or buyers. And all the data has been parsed from the submitted documents, and so it's basically ready to be added to your pipeline. With a few clicks, you can finish the underwriting, and with another click, you can basically turn this into a beautiful client-ready BOV and send it back to the client, meaning that you're streamlining the entire process from lead capture to actually delivering first deliverables to your clients. So that's the main use case for the Dealbox. You can also, if you don't have a website, you can still use Dealbox in the form of a Dealbox link. They can also find in the settings. So you just copy this link, include it in an email message, socials, in your email signature, and basically sharing this link with the client. Client clicking on the link will take them to the same interface as we've seen for the website widget. And basically in this interface, they can provide you with all the data that you need in order to start working and looking closer at their deal. So that's it. A really streamlined way to capture new leads from your website, or streamline the property data exchange, basically capture valuable deal and client information through the Dealbox solution available within the IntellCRE platform. So if you have any further questions, or if you need our team to help with the Dealbox setup, either for your website or for your Dealbox link, don't hesitate to reach out and we'll be happy to help. I hope this video is helpful, and see you in the next video.